troubleshooting and resolving odors in your LG dishwasher. If you've noticed an odor inside your LG dishwasher, the issue can usually be resolved with routine dishwasher maintenance procedures. If your dishwasher is brand new and you notice a burning-like smell, this is unique to any electrical appliance and should decrease when you use the dishwasher 10 to 20 times. To ensure top performance and prevent mildew-type odors, check the outside and inside of the appliance, including filters and spray arms, regularly. Clean the filters, spray arms, and interior according to the maintenance section of the owner's manual. If you've been away for an extended period and you notice an odor inside the appliance, check for food in the bottom of the unit or in the filters. Clean if required. Food residue may also be stuck in the narrow gaps inside the dishwasher after a cycle is complete. Wipe off all food residue with a soft, damp cloth or sponge. After cleaning the filters and interior, use a dishwasher cleaner and deodorizer to remove any residual odor. Refer to the owner's manual for information about cleaner placement and use, and do not obstruct the rotation of the spray arms. White vinegar. You may use white vinegar or citric acid if preferred. To use white vinegar, pour approximately 7 to 10 ounces into a shallow bowl and place it in the upper rack. Do not pour white vinegar directly into the base or use it excessively, as it may cause damage to the appliance. Then run an auto cycle without using detergent. When the cycle is finished, restart. Citric acid. If using citric acid, remove all dishes, cutlery baskets, and cutlery basket holders from the appliance. Measure 3 tablespoons, 1.5 ounces of citric acid powder. Fill the main detergent dispenser with the measured citric acid powder and run an auto cycle. Your LG dishwasher should provide you with years of high-quality, trouble-free service. These routine maintenance procedures will help keep it clean and odor-free. For more LG dishwasher troubleshooting tips, visit the LG.com help library.